Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Summary of the 9th part of the Holy Qur'an. This part covers the remaining part of Surah Al-Araf and then the initial part of Surah Anfal. The remaining part of Surah Al-Araf discusses 8 key topics, which are as follows. A detailed account about Prophet Musa, and how Prophet Harun was made his helper and successor by Allah. In a hadith agreed by all Muslims, the Holy Prophet stated this same relationship between him and Imam Ali. A person named Balaam son of Bora, who had one of the great name of Allah, but his great name did not prevent him from committing a sin, and he fell from his authority to such a degree that the Quran resembled him to a dog. That it is not important to be virtuous, pious or guided in a particular part of life, but it is important to be a believer till the end of your life, whole lifespan. As to the revelation of the verse 187 of Surah Al-Araf, they question you concerning the hour, when will it set in? Say, its knowledge is only with my Lord, none except him shall manifest it at its time. It is said that a number of Jews or a number of people from the Quraysh went to the Prophet, and asked him about the time of the resurrection. The verse was revealed in response to their inquiry. The Holy Prophet, in appearance, cannot read and write, and titled as Ummi, in the Holy Quran. The meaning of this title is mentioned by the Quran itself in Surah Ankabut, the spider. There are beautiful names for Allah which have been interpreted in the traditions from the AHLULBAYT. Like the 7th part of Quran, here too the permanent knowledge of the unseen was denied for the prophets. The disbelievers are referred to as livestock, cattle. The importance, greatness and merits of the Holy Quran are mentioned. The initial part of Surah Anfal contains 5 key topics as follows: 5 qualities of believers, which are fear of God, recitation of the Holy Quran, trust on Allah, performing prayers and generosity. The event of the Battle of Badr is mentioned, in which the angels descended only to announce the victory of Muslims. And about half of the opposing army was sent to hell by Imam Ali alone. The rules of war are mentioned, like running away from war is a great sin, and collection and distribution of war booty. Contrary to the conspiracy of the disbelievers to assassinate the Holy Prophet, Allah's plan was that Imam Ali slept on the bed of the Holy Prophet on the night of migration, Hijrah, and the Prophet remained safe and unharmed. The incident about the person who did not accept the declaration of Vilayah on the day of Ghadir, and on the spot punishment of Allah, descends from heaven. It is the responsibility of the pious to be the servants of the sacred mosque. And the narrators, while identifying these pious people, describe Hazrat Ali, Hamza, Jaffer and Aqil, and in some of these narrations also refers the AHLULBAYT.